What's your last name?
The Ingrams.
Ingrams, you got it. Disney Dream. Please welcome aboard the Ingram family.
Yay! Come on, Jace.
You got applause going from the Rojas family. Disney Dream.
Please welcome aboard the Choreo family.
This is our room. 7104.
Wow.
Let's do our little room tour. Okay. I think they say you put your key in the slots to turn the lights on. Oh, there you go. Oh, there you go. Okay, door number 1. Okay. How do you turn lights on in here? Oh, duh. What am I doing? Okay. This is just a basic bathroom. Just a little sink and a toilet. Okay. Trash can. Next. And some soap. Okay. Nice. Go ahead, wait. Go. Another bathroom. This one has a sink, trash can, some towels, and okay, face towels, little Mickey towel. These are cute, and a tub. Actually, it's pretty decent. And I heard that they have a clothing line thing.
They don't got that?
Oh, there it is right there. Retractable clothing line. There's 2 of them. So I already did my research. And they have, there go babe. Let me out, babe. Let me out, babe, so you can get in. Go ahead. Okay. And we have the side. Oh, look at the little Mickeys on the little map lamp. Look at that. That's awesome. Watch out, Jace. Watch out. Now we have the Family Deluxe. The one that has, it's supposed to be more square footage than the other family one. So you have a little TV. Storage space. These are the little outlets. You don't get that many, but we have a power USB hub. These are the wave phones, I'm assuming, that I've read so much about. Glasses, ice thing, more storage. Storage. What's that right there? They got a refrigerator, right? Oh yeah, refrigerator. Jada, I'll get to it. More storage. Yep, storage. We'll get to that in a minute. That pulls down. See if you can get it down, man.
Gotta be a key.
Oh, to pull it up there. Okay, and this is the finale. Let me stand back. Y'all see that?
No, they have their own phone.
Balcony. Okay. Please keep veranda door closed. Watch your step. Ouch. Plexiglass. Okay. This is nice. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is bomb. Hey, hey girl.
This is the best day ever.
This is the best day ever? Why you say it all low like you were scared? Say it if you want to say it. You shy? You like it? Mommy did good?
Yeah.
You like it when mommy plans the trips?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. Mommy does awesome sauce. We are on floor number 7. So yeah, y'all, this completes the room tour. Yes. And once we get the bed situated, I'll come back and show you guys that.
Look, Mommy.
Okay, so back in our room, you guys. And I did get to show how the bed situation. So they don't give you a key to pull your bed down. They actually come twice a day to, you know, to pull it down at night, set it all up, and in the morning they come. When they come in to clean your room, they come and put it back up there. But there's stars in the ceiling. Looks so nice.
Oopsie.
It's really, really nice.
You'll sleep right there. I'll sleep right there.
Jace, I got you this thing so you won't fall out the bed because you are a crazy sleeper. Get your feet out of the bed.
This is my little bed.
Man, y'all too hype.
Uh-uh.
Whoa. Whoa.